All right, well, I thought I'd make a little update video to let everyone know kind of what's coming next. I want to start out by just really saying thank you. It's been really amazing to have so much positive feedback and interest, commentary, other people kind of doing their own journey with their car. This has all been kind of something that started just as wanted to see if it could be done and want to see where I could take this most unlikely of vehicles, a Mazda 6, and make it into a race car. So some exciting stuff coming. I did add some insulation, some shiny bits to the intake to help fight some heat soak. Haven't had a whole lot of chance to exercise it yet, but does make a bit of a difference. Overall, just again, want to say thank you to everyone. I'm going to work on making a few more videos. I've got a few more topics. So upcoming items. All right, so what's coming up? I am planning to get another dyno soon now that it's running happy again. I want to get official numbers to kind of settle it. I do have the smaller pulley going from the 63 millimeter to the 61 millimeter. So it's not a huge difference, but should gain about a PSI across the rev range, maybe 2 PSI up top. We'll see. So that should add a nice bit of extra power. So we'll see, depending on how soon that gets here. I may wait to do the dyno till after that so that I can really measure the full power. The other update is I have worn out my LCA bushing on the driver's side. It's literally missing chunks. So I'm going to be doing a project to replace both LCAs. So I'll use that as an opportunity to make a video and talk about what I've been doing with the suspension, since I'm going to have it all taken apart anyways, and I guess I'll talk about what it's like to replace the LCA. I will make a video that gets a little more detail to what I did for the oil cooler, how I ran the lines, some of the issues and challenges, and then sooner than later, I'm also going to make a video about that battery. I love the battery setup, so I will make a little bit talking about that as well. If folks have other questions or specific topics related to the supercharger or Mazda Skyactiv platform or what I've been doing with this, feel free to comment and let me know. So again, really appreciate all the interest and feedback. Excited to share my journey and share the experience. And really, I guess the other thing is to call out is at the last racing event I got 5th place in an open class front wheel drive, so I'm hopeful with the pulley and just a little more driver mod that I'll be able to podium, which I think will get everybody's attention because nobody expects this car to show up and compete in a completely open front wheel drive race class. So very excited. I will see you all next time.